Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the open vertical and open horizontal effect using transition in CapCut PC. So select your images you like to edit or videos you like to edit, and you're just going to set the image duration in 1.0 seconds. So you can select menu, settings, and select edit and set for image duration in 1.0 second. Just click save. Go to effect and go to transition and looking for the open vertical and horizontal basic. So here's open vertically and open horizontally. You can add borders and open horizontally and just for the duration in 0.3 seconds. And for the second transition, select the open horizontally. It's for the duration. Open vertically, so you can click the first transition and click copy paste. It's not work. You can select the open vertically again and for the duration, so on. Go. So you can also add the effect. For example, I'm going to select the check for the string and the speed. Go. Yeah, you can also add the audio, text, and anything you want. I hope this tutorial was able for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.